For countless generations, humankind has gazed skyward, searching for answers, charting the heavens, crafting laws of nature, and imagining our place within an unfathomable cosmic puzzle. But all of that, our science, our theories, our precious grasp of space and time, has just been shaken. Because what the James Webb Space Telescope has seen was never supposed to exist. Galaxies older than time allows. Planets too massive, too distant, and too well-formed. Structures that seem deliberate. And a signal, steady, rhythmic, and unnatural, utterly alien to our models of the cosmos. This isn't just a new discovery. This is a collision between what we thought we knew and what actually is. The Webb telescope may have captured not only the most profound clue in human history, but perhaps a warning. And if what it saw is real, then everything we believed about the universe is wrong. Music rises, fading into awe and wonder, in its deepest surveys yet. The James Webb Space Telescope delivered the most detailed portraits of the distant cosmos ever captured. But beauty wasn't the only thing hidden in those ancient lights. In the galaxy cluster AEL 2744, scientists found luminous points so precisely aligned, they defy what we know about cosmic randomness. Complex, symmetric patterns emerged, patterns that should not exist in the chaotic dance of galaxy formation. In another case within the spiral galaxy NGC 1365, unusual stellar motion was observed, behavior that contradicts the fundamentals of gravitational dynamics. And it didn't end there. The deeper Webb looked, the stranger reality became. Symmetries repeated across unimaginable distances. Patterns that hinted not at chaos but at a hidden order. Coincidence? At first, that was the claim. But there were too many. Too frequent, too perfect. And a question began to echo through the halls of astrophysics. What if this isn't coincidence at all, but a kind of order we have yet to comprehend? Soft pulsing music, ominous. One of Webb's most enigmatic targets was a distant gas giant named HIP 65426b, located over 350 light-years from Earth. What it revealed was astonishing. This planet is nearly 7 times the mass of Jupiter, orbits its star at a distance 3 times greater than Neptune's, and circles a young sun barely 15 million years old. By our current understanding, it simply shouldn't exist. There's no protoplanetary disk. No leftover debris. No gravitational logic that explains how such a massive object formed so far out, so early, and remained stable. Some astronomers now wonder, what if this planet didn't form here at all? What if it was relocated, transplanted, perhaps even constructed? For now, no answers exist. Only a glowing world, burning at over 1,000 degrees, suspended in a system that logic cannot explain. Music swells, tension and awe intertwining. In one of its most surreal observations, Webb captured a nearly perfect Einstein rain, where a foreground galaxy's mass bends the light of another behind it into a glowing circle. The rain, centered around galaxy J418, is unlike anything ever seen. It's flawless, not partial, not distorted, but a complete, mathematically exquisite halo of light. For such an image to form, the galaxies must align with microscopic precision across billions of light-years, a feat so improbable that even veteran scientists were left speechless. Gravitational lensing is real. But this is something more. Could it be a sign of deeper symmetry? A cosmic geometry embedded in spacetime itself? Is the universe not chaotic, but calculated? Transition into deep, mysterious music. But even these wonders pale in comparison to what shook cosmology to its roots. Webb detected fully formed galaxies, large, structured, and luminous, just 180 million. That's impossibly early. According to accepted models, there simply wasn't enough time for galaxies to grow, organize, and shine with such power. Yet there they are. Galaxies the size of the Milky Way, when the universe should have been nothing but turbulent plasma. And now, some scientists are forced to confront an unsettling possibility. Maybe the Big Bang wasn't the beginning. Maybe the universe had a story long before our chapter began. Low, suspenseful hum. In a quiet corner of the cosmos, far from any known galactic cluster, Webb detected an unexplained gravitational lens. But there was no visible object. No stars. No galaxy. No black hole. And yet, light warped and curved, as though something immense was hiding there. At first, astronomers pointed to dark matter, an invisible substance thought to shape the universe's structure. But the effect was too focused. Too intense. Too precise. It didn't behave like a diffuse cloud of dark matter. It behaved like an object. Like a structure, with edges, symmetry, and presence. Some now ask the unthinkable: could this be artificial? Something built? Something left behind? Then came the discovery that no one wanted to believe. Webb imaged a vast intergalactic filament stretching over 1 billion light-years. Its galaxies lined up with unnatural precision. Cosmic filaments are known to exist. But this one was different. The galaxies aligned as though drawn on a grid. Dark matter clustered at exact, repeating points. Even redshift readings oscillated in wave-like harmonies. To some, it resembles scaffolding, like a framework placed atop the universe. Mainstream scientists remain cautious. Our brains crave patterns, they say. But others are beginning to speak more boldly. If intelligence shaped the universe, this might be where we start to see its fingerprints. Music fades into a solemn, reflective tone. Among the most radical ideas emerging is this: what if dark matter doesn't just shape the universe, but remembers it? Webb's observations show clusters of galaxies echoing earlier formations, like cosmic mirages repeating across space. What if dark matter holds gravitational memories? Not memory like human thought, but something deeper. A record. A structure within the structure. But the most disturbing find? A sequence of light pulses. Faint, regular, deliberate. Found in an empty region, no stars, no heat, no visible source. They pulsed at exact intervals and then stopped. At first, the scientists thought it was an error. A software glitch. Sensor noise. But it wasn't. Every check confirmed it. The signal was real. No known object explains it. No natural process accounts for its precision. So now, quietly, in hushed rooms, the question is being asked: what if this isn't a signal meant to communicate, but a beacon meant to be noticed? And if that's the case, who is supposed to see it? The James Webb Space Telescope was built to look back, into the depths of cosmic time. But in doing so, it may have revealed something deeper: that we are not simply watchers in a vast, silent universe. We are participants in a story far older, far more intentional, and possibly far more intelligent. Galaxies that should not be. Planets that defy the laws of gravity. Structures that speak in symmetry. Signals with no source. This isn't fantasy. These are observations. Real, verified, unexplained. And if they hold meaning, if they are signs, then we must ask: have we just glimpsed a cosmic design? Have we stumbled onto a message left behind? Or has the universe, all this time, been waiting for us to look a little deeper? Now that we have, the stars may never look